Do you dream of having a picture-perfect lawn that turns heads in your neighborhood? Imagine a lush, green carpet of grass that's the talk of the town. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 7 steps to achieve a lush, green, and healthy lawn. Caring for your lawn doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, it's a simple process that brings immense benefits, from improving your home's curb appeal to creating a space for relaxation. Debunk the myth, it's not complicated. With the right steps, anyone can have a lawn that is the envy of the neighborhood. Step 1 starts with soil testing. This crucial process reveals your soil's nutrient needs, paving the way to a healthier lawn. Knowing what your soil needs is the first step to a healthier lawn. Next up, step 2, proper watering. Over or underwatering can harm your lawn. Optimal watering tips: keep it consistent. Remember, when it comes to watering, consistency is key. Moving on to steps 3 to 5, fertilizing, aerating, and mowing. Fertilizing nourishes the grass, supplying nutrients that may be lacking in your soil. Aeration, on the other hand, allows the roots to breathe, enhancing nutrient absorption. Meanwhile, mowing maintains the lawn's aesthetic appeal. But remember, never cut more than 1/3 of the grass height at a time. Do it regularly, and you'll see a remarkable difference. With these steps, you are halfway through to your picture-perfect lawn. Now, on to the final steps: weed control and seeding. These stages are crucial for a robust lawn. By eliminating unwanted invaders, you allow your grass to flourish. Seeding, on the other hand, fills any sparse areas, making your lawn thick and vibrant. With these 7 steps, your dream of a picture-perfect lawn is now within reach. But remember, consistency is key in lawn care. Embark on your lush lawn journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.